ka-friendship, today's video ay magluluto tayo ng pork estofado. Okay, so sit back and relax and please enjoy watching this video until the end. Friendship, here are the ingredients. Meron tayo ditong 1/2 kilo na pork, 3 pirasong saging, hiniwa ko na siya, 1 pirasong sibuyas na puti, 6 cloves garlic, 1 pirasong sibuyas na pula, bell pepper, 2 pieces calamansi, meron tayo ditong garlic powder, brown sugar, salt and pepper, and gagamit din tayo ng soy sauce, cooking oil, and vinegar. Okay ka-friendship, let's do the rock and roll. What we're going to do first ka-friendship is i-marinate natin yung ating pork. Lagyan natin ng garlic powder. Lagyan natin ng brown sugar. Soy sauce. Maglagay tayo ng kunting vinegar. And of course, salt and pepper. Mix lang natin ka-friendship. Ayan, i-marinate lang natin ng at least 1 to 2 hours. So, balikan natin siya later. To do next ka-friendship, sa isang preheated pan, maglagay tayo ng cooking oil. And then, ipiprito natin yung ating saging. Hintayin natin maging golden brown yung both sides ng ating saging. Chef, okay na yung ating saging. I-remove natin siya sa mantika. Same pan, igisa or isusutay natin yung ating garlic. Yung ating pulang sibuyas. Saka yung ating pepper. Dagdag natin yung ating pork. Ating marinated pork. ayan, ipipito lang natin siya ka-friendship hanggang sa maging golden brown yung ating pork. Ka-friendship, na pan-fry na natin yung ating pork. So, what we're going to do next is magdagdag tayo ng tubig just to make sure na maluto yung pork natin. So, pagdagdag ng tubig, the boiling, the better. Ayan. Dagdag na rin natin yung ating marinade. Okay, so hayaan na lang muna natin siya dyan, ka-friendship, hanggang sa maluto or lumambot yung ating pork. Balikan natin siya later. Siya pa yan na po, luto na po yung ating pork. So, nag-iwan ako ng sabaw kasi gusto ng mga bata merong sabaw. So, ayan. So, what we're going to do next is idagdag natin yung ating pinaritong saging. Ngayon, pwede na tayong mag-squeeze ng 2 calamansi to enhance the flavor of our pork estofado. So, ayan. And then, i-garnish lang natin siya ng white onion. So, ayan, luto na yung ating pork estofado, ka-friendship. Ready for serving na siya. Friendship, ito na po yung ating finished product, ang ating pork estofado. So, i-garnish natin siya ng white onion. Mas maraming white onion, mas masarap. So, ayan, ka-friendship. Friendship, sana nagustuhan ninyo ang ating pork estofado for today. Kindly hit that like and share button, and to those who are new to my channel, please do hit the subscribe button and kindly include the notification bell. And every single comment is highly appreciated. Once again, this is Toto Mira at your service. Always remember that the art of being happy is to be satisfied with what you have. Okay, thank you very much for watching. See you on my next video. God bless us all.